Tired of Adobe Creative Cloud refusing to budge from your Mac, even after a supposed uninstall? Let's get rid of it for good and reclaim that precious storage space and boost your Mac's performance. First, we'll start by ensuring no Adobe apps are currently running in the background. Force quit any open Adobe applications through the Force Quit Applications menu, normally found by pressing Command-Option Escape or from the Apple menu. Next, navigate to your Applications folder in Finder, look for any Adobe apps, and drag them to the trash. They may or may not delete completely. Keep an eye out for any error messages about files being in use, and don't worry, we will address them. Now, try running the Adobe Creative Cloud Uninstaller again, located in the Applications folder under Adobe Creative Cloud. If it still fails, don't despair, that's expected. Now for the crucial part, let's manually clean up leftovers. Open Finder and go to the Go menu at the top, and select Go to Folder. Then type in Library. In the Library folder, locate and delete any Adobe-related folders within Application Support, Caches, and Preferences. Remember to check the trash afterwards. After that, search your Mac by using the search function. Type Adobe in the search box, then search the entire this Mac and delete any relevant files or folders. Be careful when deleting anything. Only remove files and folders that are clearly Adobe. Finally, empty the trash to permanently remove all the Adobe files. Restart your Mac to finalize the changes. Now the Adobe Creative Cloud has been completely removed from your system.